Have you ever looked at your phone and just felt like it doesn't really feel like your phone? Well, today we're going to fix that. We are unlocking a super simple trick that can completely change how your Samsung feels. We're talking about fonts. It's a small change, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. So let's get right into it. And you know what? I totally agree. This isn't some brand new, complicated feature. Nope. It's this awesome little gem that's been hiding in Samsung settings forever, and it's just so effective. So go ahead and pop open your settings app. You'll probably need to scroll down just a little bit, but what you're looking for is the display option. Go ahead and give that a tap. This is basically the control panel for everything you see on your screen. And just like that, we are one step closer. We're in the display settings now, right on the edge of total font freedom. We are so close. Okay, so once you're inside the display menu, just scroll a tiny bit and you'll see font size and style. Tap on that. Now, you're going to see a couple of options, but the one we want, our main target, is right at the top, font style. Let's go ahead and tap it. And here it is. This is the fun part. This is where you get to experiment and give your phone a whole new personality. It's time to start browsing. So right out of the gate, you've got a few choices. Of course, there's default, which is just the standard look. Then you might have some fun ones already preloaded, like Cool J here. Kind of has a throwback vibe, right? But the real game changer is that third option. And this, right here, is the most important part. You are not stuck with what came on your phone. Tapping Download Fonts literally opens up a whole world of new styles. You just find one you love, download it, and it'll pop right into this list, all ready for you to use. And boom, the second you tap a new font, the change is instant. Your entire phone gets a makeover. I mean, just look at the difference here. It goes from pretty standard to super stylish in a single tap. Everything from your app drawer to your text messages will have this cool new look. So, let's wrap this up. In less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee, you've just taken your phone from a generic device off the shelf to something that is 100% you. And that's really the beauty of it all, isn't it? This isn't some complicated techie hack. It's sitting right there in your settings, so easy to get to, and the result is huge. It's all about getting that maximum personalization with minimum effort. It's a pretty fun thing to think about, right? Every single time you pick up your phone, that font you chose is a little piece of your personality shining through. So the only question left is, what's your font going to say about you?